today I'm in my sister Beverly's kitchen. Welcome to Cooking with Love. Today I'm going to make a very easy microwavable version of a flan. And I've made flan in the past where you have to cook it in the oven in the water bath, and it does take a while. This recipe that I found is all in the microwave, and it'll take you about 15 minutes total time to prepare and microwave it. Super easy to do. Flan is a great dessert to have around the holidays, Thanksgiving, New Year's, Christmas time, or any time of the year for that matter. All right, let's get started. The ingredients we need to make our quick, easy, microwavable flan are, first of all, 4 ramekin cups. Now these are microwave and dishwasher safe cups. They're about 1 cup each in volume. To make the caramel, we're going to use sugar and water. And to make the custard part, we need some eggs, whole milk. This is sweetened condensed milk, evaporated milk, and some vanilla extract. In the bottom of each of the cups, we're going to put 1 tablespoon of sugar. And then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of water. And we want to make sure all the sugar is covered with the water. Now I'm just going to go in with this spoon and mix it a little bit to make sure there's no dry spots of sugar. And this one I'm just going to add a little extra water because I still have some dry spots there. All right, now we're going to put these 4 ramekins into our microwave for 4 minutes on high. We microwaved our ramekins for 4 minutes, and you can see that the caramel has formed. I'm just going to kind of swirl it around the bottom to make sure everything is evenly coated, a little bit up on the sides. All right, we're going to leave these here to cool, and the caramel will harden up. And in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and mix up the flan. All right, we're going to start assembling the flan custard. First thing I'm going to do is break the eggs. I'm going to mix the eggs well. Now we're going to add this sweetened condensed milk. Just going to give this a little bit of a mix. Get that sweetened condensed milk mixed in with the eggs. And now I'm going to add whole milk and the vanilla. And I'm going to mix this well, and I'm going to try to avoid creating bubbles. Okay, our custard is mixed well. I'm going to strain it now through a sieve. Our custard mix has been strained, and that removes any undissolved egg white or possible egg shells, depending on who cracked the eggs. Now I'm just going to fill these ramekins. All right, now back to the microwave, and we start by microwaving them for 3 minutes. So they microwaved on high for 3 minutes. I'm just going to rotate them by 180 degrees to make sure they're getting evenly exposed. And now put them on high again for 2 minutes. Now we're going to inspect this, and you can see that the edges are starting to set up, but the center is still very wet. So now it goes back in, and we're going to put it on a lower power. So we'll do 2 minutes on 50% power. Let's take a look. So it's setting up nicely. The center is jiggly, but it's still a little bit wet. So I'm going to go give it another 30 seconds at 50% power. Our flans are done. Now I'm going to wrap each one in aluminum foil, and we're going to let them sit here on the countertop until they're room temperature. Then they go into the refrigerator. They have to be refrigerated for a minimum of 4 hours, preferably overnight. Our flan has been sitting in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours. Now we're going to unmold it. Just take a plate and place it on top of the ramekin, and then turn it over and give it a little jiggle. Our flans are finished, and joining me for the taste test is my sister Beverly. Dig in, Bev, give it a try, see what you think.
It looks beautiful. It looks like an elegant dessert you get at a restaurant. Steve, it's delicious.
It's very good.
It's really
The custard part is really light, not too sweet. The caramel on top is delicious.
This is definitely a winner.
This is, again, great to make around the holidays, Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's. It's going to be a dessert that's enjoyed by all. And as you saw, it takes about 15 minutes in the microwave, then 4 hours to chill in the refrigerator. And you can have a dessert. We'll see you on the next episode.
Bye.